Hi guys, now we'll see Leetcode SQL question confirmation rate. So here we have two tables, signups table and confirmations table. In signups table we have two columns, user ID and timestamp at which the user has done sign up. In confirmations table we have three columns, user ID, timestamp at which the user has requested confirmation message, and action column which tells whether the confirmation message is confirmed or it is timed out. So we have to write a SQL query that will give confirmation rate for each user. Confirmation rate means number of confirmed message upon total number of messages received. And this answer should be like round off up to two decimal places. Like we'll see example to understand it in a better way. So this is signups table. Here we have user ID and timestamp. This is confirmations table. Here we have user ID, timestamp at which confirmation message is requested, and action whether the confirmation message is confirmed or it is timed out. And we want to write a SQL query that will give user ID and confirmation rate. Confirmation rate means total number of confirmed messages divided by total number of messages for each user. Like for two, the total number messages are 2 and one is confirmed, one is timeout, so confirmation rate is 1 by 2, that is zero point 0.5. Now we should think how we can approach it. So since we want confirmation rate, if this actions column we remove or replace timeout by 0 and confirmed by 1, then the average for each user will be equal to confirmation rate. Like suppose we see for user 2, this value will be 1, this will be 0. If we'll find average, it will be 1 by 2, that is 0.5. So we'll do this only. Now we want this confirmation rate for each user. It may be possible that some users are present in sign up table but they are not present in confirmation table. So to solve this problem, we'll do left join of signups table with confirmation table so that we can get confirmation rate for each user. So now simply we'll select this user ID and confirmation rate from the table that we are getting by the left join of sign up table and confirmation table on column user ID. Then we'll do group by for each user ID, and then we'll calculate the average on this actions. Then we'll get the confirmation rate. Now we'll see the actual query so that we can understand in a better way. So here I told that we want to replace this timeout with 0 and confirmed with 1. So how we can do that? For that we can use something like if else or case statement. So here I have used case statements. So first we'll see the syntax for case statement in case you do not know. So it is simple. First write case, then write when condition 1. If condition 1 is true, then give result 1. If this condition 2 is true, then give result 2. And if none of the condition is true, then give this result and end. So simply now we'll see the our actual query. So in the output we want user ID and confirmation rate. So we'll select user ID and confirmation rate from the table that we got by doing left join of sign up table and confirmation table on column user ID of both the tables. Then we'll do group by user ID and calculate the average by on actions column by doing if action is confirmed, then replace it with l is with 1, else replace it with 0. After that we get average. Now we want our final output up to two decimal places, so we'll do round up to two decimal places.